This exam application tutorial is on the topic of element recycling. The question for 6 marks: describe the processes that are involved in the carbon cycle. In other words, describe how carbon dioxide is added and removed from the atmosphere. There are 4 key processes to describe. Firstly, plants remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. 1 mark for acknowledging that plants do this and they remove it. And they do this through the process of photosynthesis. You'll see there's only one arrow going away from the atmosphere, and that's photosynthesis carried out by plants. You could also say that the sea absorbs carbon dioxide, but you don't have to. So now let's look at how it's released into the atmosphere. Plants and animals carry out respiration. People normally think plants carry out photosynthesis, animals carry out respiration, but all living things need energy, so all living things carry out respiration, and that will release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. So plants and animals carry out respiration, which releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Now let's look at the process of decay. As bacteria decompose dead organisms, as they break them down, so you can see here, they release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, also through the process of respiration. Also, when humans burn fossil fuels, carbon dioxide is also released into the atmosphere. So you can see over here, we're burning fossil fuels and carbon dioxide is back into the atmosphere. And like I said before, carbon dioxide can also dissolve into the oceans, that removes it, and volcanic eruptions also release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This is only for 6 marks, you don't have to include all of these. So what each of these statements do is state what is responsible for the change and then what the change is. So photosynthesis is responsible for the change, and what it does is it removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Respiration is responsible for the change, and that releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Decomposition is again responsible for the change, and that releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. That's the rhythm of this question.